In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 without an internet connection. When installing Windows 11, you may encounter a screen that says, "Let's connect you to a network." The next button is grayed out and you cannot continue. To bypass this, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard or function, plus Shift plus F10 on a laptop. This will open the command prompt. Press Alt plus Tab to switch to the command prompt window. In the command prompt window, type the following command, then press Enter. Your computer will restart and take you back to the initial setup screen. Go through the setup steps again. Now, you'll see an option to skip for now or I don't have internet on the network connection screen. This allows you to proceed with a local account without connecting to the internet. Additionally, if you're connected to the internet when installing Windows 11, you'll be prompted to sign in with a Microsoft account. There is no option to install Windows 11 Home with a local account while connected to the internet. To install Windows 11 Home with a local account, disconnect from the internet and run the bypass row command. If you're installing Windows 11 Pro, go back and choose the Setup for Work or School option instead of Setup for Personal Use. Now, even if you're connected to the internet, you'll have the option to create a local account to continue. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.